Sorrow, I am humble, for tonight I understand your royal blood was never meant to decorate this sand. You suffered great injustice, so thousands before you I offer an apology and one long overdue. I'm sorry, Tara, I'm sorry. Hear my song and know I sing the truth. Though we were bred to fight, reach the kindness in your heart tonight. And if you can forgive, and if you can forgive, love can truly live. And if you can forgive, and if you can love can truly live. Well, hardly there, cluckers. I was sore fingers back with you again, but hopefully something interesting for you. This is a song from the film The Book of Life, and it's called the Apology Song. Okay, so this is basically my take on it for a single acoustic. Okay. They've got a Spanishy feel song to it. It's basically in standard tuning, and I've got a capo on the 5th fret, fret 5 for the capo, and the way we're playing it in the key of D minor puts it into the same key as the recorded version. Okay, so you can play along with the record if you want to. So, starting off with this sequence of chords, okay, please excuse the singing, it was just purely for reference, it's not meant to be a cover, okay. So, we're starting off with this 4-chord little turnaround. That's the way I play it, okay. So, we're starting off with a straightforward A minor shape, and I'm basically playing the 4th, 3rd and 2nd strings at this point, okay, for these 4 chords, like that. The 2nd chord is a partial E minor. All I'm fretting is the 2nd fret from the capo on the 4th string. Again, those 4, 3 and 2 strings, okay. Then I'm playing this chord. This is an F major flat 5, okay. And all it is, it's like a second fret of the 3rd string from the capo and the 3rd fret of the 4th fret from the capo. So it's like an F but without the first finger. Okay, and I'm playing 4, 3 and 2. And then the last chord of this 4 is an E chord. Basically, it's the bottom half of an E chord. I'm fretting it like that, you could play it like that. Again, I'm only playing the 4, 3 and 2, so hence I'm doing that. 2nd on the 4th, 1st on the 3rd, open 2nd. Okay, so those are your 4 chords, so it's like... And then you do it again, so you do it twice, okay? Then the singing kicks in, and the first line is exactly the same. Sorrow, I am humble, for tonight I understand. Second line is slightly different. A minor, your blood was never meant. Right, this is a partial G chord. All I'm doing is I'm playing the open 4, 3 and 2. Okay, so the royal blood was never meant to, and then that F major flat 5 again. Decorate this sand is the E chord. Okay, so far from the singing side of it. Sorrow, I am humble, for tonight I understand. Your royal blood was never meant to decorate this sand. Okay, then we go back to this F major flat 5 again. You suffered great injustice to the E chord again. Again, only the 4, 3 and 2 strings, okay? You suffered your great injustice, so have, again, same thing again, the F major flat 5. We have thousands before E again, you, and then the final line, A minor, I offer an G, those open 4, 3 and 2, open an apology, then that F major flat 5, a one time E, long overdue, so that's offer an apology of one long overdue. So the whole thing so far, intro twice, okay? Play it slowly, it's pretty slow anyway. Again. Here we go with the words. So I am humbled, for tonight I understand your royal blood was never meant to decorate this sand. You suffered great injustice, so are thousands before you. I offer an apology with long overdue. There was a big pause, and then he comes in with the chorus. I am sorry. Now this is like arpeggiated. You can just that sort of thing. Okay, so it's 4, 3, 2, 1. It's like something like that. Which you can. There's no set pattern, but just top 4 strings basically. Okay, I'm sorry. Sorry. I'm sorry. A minor, so it's a D minor. I'm sorry. Toro, I am A minor. Sorry. Okay. Then we go to a C chord, standard C chord. Again, it's arpeggiated. Okay, so I'm sorry. Toro, I'm sorry. Hear my song, I know I sing the truth. I'm just playing 5 down, picking around 5 down to 2. So it's like a, hear my song, I know I sing the truth. Okay, so from the beginning of the chorus, I am sorry, Toro, I'm sorry. Hear my song, I know I sing the truth. Then we do that F major flat 5 again, and this time you can play the top E string open as well if you want to. Okay, although we were bred to fight, I reach for, and then the E chord again, kindness in your heart tonight. So far the chorus, I am sorry. Toro, I'm sorry. Hear my song, I know I sing the truth. Though we bred here to fight, I reach for kindness in your heart tonight. And if D minor, you can forgive, and A minor, you can forgive. Now we've got some little run coming up now, just double stops. Okay, so the first one is just that I'm playing the pick is playing the bottom E string open. I'm plucking the first fret of the 3rd string with a finger, 2 together. Then we play this shape, 2nd on the bottom E and the 2nd on the 3rd together, pick playing the bottom E, finger plucking the 3rd string, so we got. Then we go up 2 frets to the 4th fret from the capo and on the 6th string and the 3rd string again, okay? And then the final one, the way I play it, is that 2nd on the 5th with the 3rd fret on the capo on the 2nd string, the B string. Again, pick playing the 5th string, finger plucking the 2nd string. Okay, you could also play it like this. You could play that one if you wanted to, but it's moving away from the chords, so that's why I come back down here. So if you want to play this one, it's the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th fret from the capo. It's on the 12th fret in real life. Again, it's the same shape, 3rd string and bottom E string on the 7th fret, but I prefer to do that, okay, because it's nearer the chords. Okay, so far, I am sorry, Tor, I'm sorry. Hear my song, I know I sing the truth. Though we were bred to fight, I reach for kindness in your heart tonight. And if you can forgive, and if you can forgive, love can truly. That's as far as we got. Okay, that little run goes with the words. You can truly live is A minor, and then you strum the A minor, say 5 down to 2 or something like that, and then you do 2 notes on the A minor. You do the 2nd on the 3rd and the 1st on the 2nd, so you go, and then you play an A7, 2nd on the 4th, 2nd on the 2nd, 5 downwards or 5 down to 2, something like that. Okay, so there's that. Okay, so that bit where it goes there. And if you can forgive, and if you can forgive, love can truly live. Okay, then we go back to the D minor, and if you can forgive, A minor, if you can forgive, the run again, love can love can truly, A minor, live. And that's the end of the first section of the song. It then repeats the whole thing again with different words. Okay, so you've got everything you need to play the song. So we'll just go through the whole thing very slowly. Okay, right from the beginning. Intro, first verse and the first chorus. Here we come. Okay. Tomorrow I am humble, for tonight I understand your royal blood was never meant to decorate this sand. You suffered great injustice, and of thousands before you I offer an apology, and one long overdue. I'm sorry, Torum, I'm sorry. Hear my song, I know how to say the truth. And though we're bred to fight, I reach for kindness in your heart tonight. And if you can forgive, and if you can forgive, love can truly live. And if you can forgive, and if you can forgive, love can truly live. Thanks very much for watching and listening. I hope you enjoyed that little ditty, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.